BestWebDesignAgencies.com, the independent authority on web design and development agencies, evaluates and ranks the best agencies in the web design and development industry. Our research process is a comprehensive undertaking of investigating, verifying, and evaluating the credentials of different web design and development companies. Our extensive research on agencies ranges from contacting both past and present clients of different companies to getting an inside look of the company's methodologies and ethical practices. Through our research, in many cases, we are able to separate the best web design and development companies from those who do mediocre work. In order to begin an in-depth research on a web design and development agency, we start by obtaining some basic information about the company. Open communication with the company is important, as we are able to obtain some inside information directly from the source. Further information is extracted from legitimate third-party sources and from local and regional web design and development industry news and media sources. We then focus on aspects of research that include contacting clients for their input on the services provided by the company, as well as the competitive advantages and the technologies used behind the scenes to provide quality services to these clients. Information on the company's history is used to identify where the company is today in comparison to past performance. Hiring trends are also analyzed to better understand whether a company's reach in the industry is growing or contracting. A measure of a company's transparency and willingness to be open and to provide information is also taken to get the best possible view of a company. BestWebDesignAgencies.com rankings are based on aggregated ratings of factors that can be found in our evaluation criteria page. The rankings are usually measured in a series of scores that we assign on 5 factors within each service provider category. The scores for each factor are assigned based on our analysis. For example, to evaluate an SEO company, we examine the agency's ability and methodology in performing needs analysis, how they perform keyword analysis, their on-page and off-page optimization techniques, and even view the quality of their reporting methods. Furthermore, we review the team size assigned for the SEO campaign, the amount of time allocated for servicing clients, the effective return on investment for their clients, and even dig deeper by verifying the results achieved on the major search engines. In addition to the 5 factors highlighted in each category, we have multiple soft factors we use in our rankings. Is the agency a fly-by-night operator? Do they attend conferences, or are they on occasion invited to speak at the conferences? Are they hiring employees or laying them off? Have they enabled us to talk to their customers, and are they being transparent by showing us their results? We know that the best way to create useful rankings is to get as many opinions as possible from customers of agencies and users of software tools. This is why we use the aggregated approach. In order to begin an in-depth research on a web design and development software product, we use software testing techniques which are the result of years of experience and research. Utilizing the know-how of staff and freelancers, as well as response from the manufacturers whose products we evaluate, our objective and exact testing processes use industry benchmarks. These benchmarks provide the relative data and quantitative outcome that feed the technical scrutiny of our software product rankings. As technologies press forward and new product categories are envisioned, we frequently assess innovative ways to advance our tests and make them more pertinent. This, pooled with a qualitative study from the hands-on evaluations, gives our users everything they need to know to make educated buying decisions. For example, to evaluate HTML software, we examine factors such as compatibility, functionality, support, integration, and performance. We demo the software and test for the overall compatibility over multiple platforms to ensure that it will work for the intended audience. We also test for the ability to modify multiple types of pages ranging from XHTML-based documents to PHP-based documents to ensure compatibility with a number of different websites. Extra features ranging from a template system to Flash integration are compared to other tools created by competing companies. BestWebDesignAgencies.com is active in the industry by visiting conferences and visiting companies on site to better learn from them what it is that they are providing as opposed to their competition. Through both online and offline research, we collaborate this information in our research time to decide which companies and software products are to be ranked as the top web design and development companies and tools. For more information on our research and evaluation criteria for each individual category, visit the Evaluation Criteria section of bestwebdesignagencies.com.